Hi guys, welcome back. We are starting with a series where we are clearing our whole Jimny playground, making it ready for whoever wants to come play. So here's the first section. It would be cool if we could come up with some names for every section. Leave a comment what you might think is a cool name. So far, Jimny needs to come up this path. Through here, we've already started clearing some trees Dad's been cutting out. And yeah, I'm gonna go through here, check out for some rocks and boulders. And here's Dad, busy clearing out. He's gonna show us the rest of the plan, the rest of the way.
No, I was thinking to come up there.
Yeah, come through here.
Come through here. There's lots of rocks and boulders and hidden underneath this grass and tree branches and stuff. But yeah, then I'll come through here. I'll go over this rock here. Go over this. I'll find my way through here. Turn here. Let's get branch here. Come down this way.
We're undecided about this part, but
Then
yeah.
go up here. I'm a bit worried about this rock here, but we'll figure it out in me, yeah? And this one here. Yeah, we'll come up here. We'll turn. See this hole here. See this hole over this rock here. Through here, over this rocks. This branches here. Try and miss this rock here. Come over this branches here. Down here. Over this. And down here. And then we start over again.
And there the loop goes. All around, into the quarry. And yeah.
To fix the chimney. Let's make a marker. I'm going to aim for this axle here. Just aim for that axe there, because when I drive up here I won't remember where to go. Yeah. Come through here. Aim for this axle here.
We made a holder. Okay, let me move back. Whoops. Whoops, sorry about that. Here we have the hacksaw. here we are at the axe. Here we go.
I think I'm gonna move that one and this one down there somewhere. I can take the line through here.
Thanks. Nog een bikkie. Okay.
Just gonna put some branches and stuff on top of this table. So if it does come off, it absorbs the shock. Okay, let's start like that. Just remove all of this. I'm going to try and get the one wheel through here, and the other wheel must come through there. No handbrake, makes it difficult.
And it's quite steep on your side. Oh, and there was light. Next obstacle. Ek sien net een groot klip hier onder. En nou kan ons mooi in die shoks en kyk. Dis so. It's and there goes Mr. Rock. Okay. And that's it.